Welcome to our channel, fellow explorers. Today, we embark on a journey to discover the most breathtaking islands on Earth. From the turquoise lagoons of the South Pacific to the volcanic shores of Iceland, we'll unveil 15 unforgettable destinations. These islands beckon with pristine beaches, lush rainforests, and a kaleidoscope of marine life. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare to be captivated as we set sail for adventure. Our first stop takes us to the heart of the South Pacific, Bora Bora, a paradise that feels like a dream. Imagine crystal clear waters so vibrant they seem to glow, reflecting the sky and the sun in a mesmerizing dance of light. A lagoon painted in every shade of blue imaginable, from deep sapphire to the lightest turquoise, creating a stunning mosaic. Luxurious overwater bungalows perch above the turquoise depths, offering a glimpse into a world of unparalleled beauty and tranquility. Bora Bora is sculpted by ancient volcanoes, its iconic silhouette dominated by the majestic peaks of Mount Otomanu and Mount Pahia. Beneath the surface, a kaleidoscope of marine life awaits, from graceful manta rays to blacktip reef sharks and vibrant coral reefs teeming with life. It's an island steeped in rich Polynesian culture, where the warmth of the people rivals the tropical sun and traditional dances tell stories of the past. Now we journey to a volcanic archipelago, the Galapagos Islands. Isolated for millennia, this UNESCO World Heritage Site inspired Charles Darwin's groundbreaking theories. Here, giant tortoises lumber across volcanic landscapes, and marine iguanas bask on sun-drenched rocks. The Galapagos Islands offer a glimpse into a world untouched by time, a place where wildlife reigns supreme. From the untamed wilds of the Galapagos, we travel to the Aegean Sea, Santorini. Perched atop dramatic cliffs overlooking a submerged caldera, Santorini is an island steeped in myth and legend. Wander through the narrow, winding streets of Oia, where whitewashed houses cling to the cliffside. As the sun sets, witness the Santorini sunset, a fiery masterpiece painted across the Aegean sky. Savor the flavors of Santorini, from fresh seafood platters to the island's famed white eggplant and sweet cherry tomatoes. Maui, the heart of Hawaiian adventure. Our journey now takes us to Maui, the Valley Isle, known for its stunning natural beauty and diverse landscapes. Here, verdant rainforests cascade down volcanic slopes, creating a lush green paradise, while golden beaches stretch for miles, inviting you to relax and soak in the sun. Rise before dawn and ascend to the summit of Halakala, a dormant volcano that dominates the island's landscape. Witness a breathtaking sunrise that paints the sky in hues of orange and pink. Explore the legendary Road to Hana, a winding coastal highway that snakes its way past cascading waterfalls, lush rainforests, and hidden black sand beaches, each turn revealing a new wonder. For the adventurous at heart, Maui offers a playground of activities, from surfing the powerful waves to ziplining through the treetops, providing thrills and unforgettable experiences. Maldives, where luxury meets paradise. Prepare to be whisked away to a realm of unparalleled luxury as we journey to the Maldives. Here, turquoise lagoons teem with marine life, while luxurious overwater villas perch above the water. Spend your days snorkeling amongst vibrant coral reefs or simply relaxing on pristine white sand beaches. The Maldives offers a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, a place to reconnect with nature. Bali, the island of gods and festivals. Our journey now takes us to the enchanting island of Bali, known as the Island of Gods. Immerse yourself in the spiritual heart of Bali at the Uluwatu Temple, perched on a cliff edge. Explore the iconic rice terraces of Tigalalang, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Experience the vibrant Balinese culture at one of the island's many festivals, a riot of color, music, and dance. Seychelles, where granite giants meet turquoise waters. Our next destination lies in the heart of the Indian Ocean, the Seychelles. Here, towering granite boulders rise from pristine beaches, their slopes cloaked in lush vegetation. Swim in the crystal clear waters, snorkel amongst colorful fish, or simply relax on the soft white sand. Venture into the Vallée de Mai Nature Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. For a truly unforgettable experience, embark on a sailing adventure around the islands. Malta, an island fortress of history. Our journey now takes us to the heart of the Mediterranean, Malta. explore the fortified city of Valletta, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Delve into Malta's ancient past at the Hagar Kim and Menajdra temples, megalithic structures that predate Stonehenge. Escape the bustle of Valletta and discover the island's hidden gems. Relax on the golden sands of Golden Bay or Melieha Bay, or take a boat trip to the Blue Grotto. Sicily, a culinary journey through time. Our next destination takes us to the largest island in the Mediterranean, Sicily. Embark on a culinary adventure through Sicily, savoring the island's rich and diverse flavors. Explore the ancient Greek ruins of Agrigento, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Discover the Aeolian Islands, a volcanic archipelago off the coast of Sicily. Fiji, where happiness finds you. Prepare to be greeted with warm smiles as we journey to Fiji, an archipelago of over 300 islands. Known as the soft coral capital of the world, Fiji offers an idyllic escape for families and adventurers. Snorkel amongst colorful fish, encounter graceful manta rays, or dive deeper to discover the underwater wonders. Experience the warmth and hospitality of Fijian culture, renowned for its welcoming spirit. Kauai, the Garden Isle Unveiled. Our journey continues to the oldest of the main Hawaiian islands, Kauai. Explore Waimea Canyon, known as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. Discover the Napali Coast, a masterpiece of nature's artistry. Hike the challenging Kalalau Trail, kayak along the rugged coastline, or soar above it all in a helicopter. For a taste of Kauai's serene beauty, visit the Wailua River State Park. Ibiza, where the party never ends. Our next destination is an island that pulsates with energy, Ibiza. Dance the night away at one of Ibiza's legendary superclubs. But Ibiza is more than just a party island. Discover hidden coves and pristine beaches, perfect for soaking up the Mediterranean sun. For a taste of Ibiza's spiritual side, visit Esvedra, a mystical rock formation. Iceland, a land of fire and ice. Prepare to be captivated by otherworldly landscapes as we journey to Iceland. Witness the ethereal beauty of the Northern Lights, a celestial dance of color. Explore the Golden Circle, a popular tourist route that showcases some of Iceland's most iconic natural wonders. Relax in the warm, mineral-rich waters of the Blue Lagoon, a geothermal spa surrounded by lava fields. Great Barrier Reef Islands, diving into an underwater wonderland. Our penultimate adventure takes us to the largest coral reef system in the world, the Great Barrier Reef, a natural wonder that stretches over 2,300 kilometers along the northeast coast of Australia. Dive into an underwater wonderland where over 1,500 species of fish call the reef home. Marvel at the vibrant coral formations and the diverse marine life that thrives in this underwater paradise. Explore the Whitsunday Islands, a group of 74 islands located in the heart of the Great Barrier Reef. These islands are renowned for their stunning natural beauty and crystal-clear waters. Sail through the turquoise waters, drop anchor in secluded coves, and relax on pristine white sand beaches. Enjoy snorkeling and diving in the vibrant coral gardens, or simply bask in the sun on the soft sands. For a truly unforgettable experience, spend a night on a pontoon on the outer reef. Witness the breathtaking sunset over the horizon and fall asleep under a canopy of stars, surrounded by the tranquil sounds of the ocean. Hawaii, the Aloha spirit awaits. Our final destination takes us to the heart of the Pacific, Hawaii. Learn to surf on the gentle waves of Waikiki Beach, hike through volcanic landscapes to cascading waterfalls, immerse yourself in Hawaiian culture, from the graceful movements of hula dancing to the soulful melodies of Hawaiian music. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a deeper connection with nature, Hawaii offers something for everyone. Your island adventure awaits. Thank you for joining us on this journey to some of the most captivating islands on Earth. We hope this video has inspired you to pack your bags and embark on your own island adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. And be sure to let us know in the comments which island you'd most love to visit. Until next time, keep exploring.